welcome to C# programming for beginner class. This is my 8th video, and in this video I will talk about C# local variables. So this topic is related to variable scopes. So what local variable basically means? Local variables are those variables that are declared inside the function. These variables are only accessed inside the function. We cannot access this variable outside that function. So these variables are created when the function is called, and it destroyed after the function is ended. So let's see how we can declare the local variables. Let's go to the Visual Studio. So I will make a new class inside this demo project. So let me declare the class by the name of class, and I will name the class demo, and I will open a bracket. So this is a new class by the name of demo, and inside this I will write a new function. So public void local variables. So this is a function by the name of local variables. So inside this we will create a variables string name. We will assign the value, and I will declare another value, integer variable. So you can see here we created a demo class, and inside this demo class we have a function by the name of local variables. Inside that we created the two variables, one variable by the name of name, and it's a string variable, and another is an age variable and its data type is integer. So these two variables are local variable. And why it's local variable? Because these variables are created inside the function. So as I told that local variables are created inside the function, and we can access only inside the function. So we can access this variable inside this function, but we cannot access outside the function. For example, I will create new function here, public void so access. If you want to access this variable inside the access function, we cannot access this variable. So let's see, console dot write line, and then we will access the name. As you can see here, error. So it means that this let me see what it says. So the name does not exist in the current context. It means that this name is not is undefined. It means that we don't know what name is. So as I told that in the local variable we can access only inside that function where we declared that variable. So we can only access this function, these variables inside this local variable functions. So let's see we can access these variables. So let me console these variables, console dot write line, and I will name and then concatenate name. You can see we can access this name variable inside this function, and we will console the h2, console dot write line, and then age is equal to age. We can access both of these variable inside that function, but we cannot access this variable outside the function. You can see. So as we told that these variables are created when we call the function. When we call the function, these variables are created, and when it destroyed when the function is ended. So let me call the function inside the main function. So for this I will create the object of this demo class. So demo object new. So I created the demo object. So I will access the function through the obj dot local variable. So let me see what it shows. So you can see name is Sikandar Safe and age is 23. So as we can see, as we told that local variables are those variables that created inside the function, that declare inside the function, and we can access only inside the function. And these variables are created when the function is called and destroyed when the function is in. So that's it for this video. See you in next video.